Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have a very exciting video. Today I'm actually gonna be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Hydration Foundation and all this kind of stuff. So today we're gonna be doing that. Now let me just put a small disclaimer before we're even getting started. I actually got this in PR in the mail while I actually had another foundation review supposed to be going up, which was supposed to be paid, and I actually declined that. So sis, best believe that this is going to be a very brutally honest review. For those of you who wants to know, my skin is actually a combination skin, so I don't have a dry skin, I don't have an oily skin, my skin is combo. So there's that. And so anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the tea. So this is the box that I got from Fenty. Now in the box I do have the Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I also have the sponge, and I also sent this Kabuki Buff foundation brush, and they also sent 3 different foundation shades, which none of them are actually my own, but let's just hope that I can get away with that today because I really wanted to review this foundation so badly, and luckily this is what I'm doing today. Do you know what I mean? But anyways, right now we're gonna be reading this brochure right over here. So this foundation promise stay fly, not dry. I literally sound like a commercial. Now, Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, serving, sis, it says that, serving, hydrating, medium to full coverage with a natural finish. Now, for those of you who know me and follow me for the longest time, then you also know that this is my own favorite foundation, every single day kind of slay foundation, really. So I do love this promising right over here. And it says perfect for normal to dry skin, available in the same 50 shades as the original Pro Filter. Now, as far as I know, also within the shade range type of a thing, if you are 230 in the previous one, you're gonna be 230 in this one as well. So there's that. I think that it's really helpful when you try to match your own foundation, you know, it saves a lot of concerns and anxiety, if you may. Now I'm gonna be taking the hydrating Pro. Why did I was about to say Pro? Yeah, anyways, because it says that. But now I'm gonna be taking the hydrating primer, and I'm gonna be, so this is basically the exact same bottle, I think, like the previous one, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't have that for the longest time, but I'm gonna be using just 1 drop like this because I do believe that, you know, a little goes a long way. So definitely if I need more, I can add more. It smells amazing, I'm gonna be saying that. Again, I don't really remember how the previous one smelled because I haven't used that in a while. Because you guys, I do live in LA and the air here is so dry. The last thing that you need is something to mattify your skin, at least in my opinion, unless you really do have a very oily skin. So in that case, you might gonna be needing that. However, I'm gonna be taking another pump because it definitely feels amazing on my skin. Also, you can see this natural glow right over here. That kind of reminds me of this, what do you call it? Like a glass skin. If you guys saw this glass skin makeup look, I'm honestly obsessed with this and I really want to do this type of looks one of these days. So there's that. But look at that. It is so beautiful. The skin looks really glowy. So I definitely love that. Now, let's move on to the foundation, and just, you guys, just pray for me. Yeah, I'm not 270, girl. I am not 270. Where did I put the other foundation? Should I be 270 today? Probably not. Okay guys, so here's the thing. It is currently Sunday morning at 10 a.m. I still didn't collect my life yet. However, the 240 is right over here, so let's just roll with this. So I'm gonna be taking one pump from that with the hope that again it's gonna be working for me. Now I'm taking only one pump because again it is buildable, and if I do need more, I guess I can build it up to have this really full coverage. So there is that. Now once again, this is not my shade, but I will survive for this review. I will. Okay, do you guys see this skin?
Go.
Do you see that? Okay, this is the healthiest that my skin has ever looked. Naturally, I mean, well, as natural as it gets because I do have foundation on me. But yeah, look at how beautiful the skin looks with the foundation on. Again, shook at the house. So there is that. Oh my god. Okay, so this is once again only one pump. I will definitely gonna be needing a little bit more help right over here. So we're gonna do, okay, this one was half, so we're gonna do another one, so that's like 1.5. Do you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna be applying the rest of it on my forehead, and you know, just to get a little bit more coverage. Okay, so right off the bat, it applies really beautifully on the skin. It is not cracking, it is not drying. It looks really beautiful on the skin. It blends amazing. And the most important thing is that it's not heavy. It doesn't feel like it's a foundation. Do you know what I mean? So for me, it is a vibe. This is a mood, because when you live in such a dry area, like, you know, like a desert, like in California, so you don't want to feel that heaviness on you because it's so hot in here, you guys. It's so hot. So anyways, yeah, I mean, I can't get over the fact that this is not my shade, but it's what it is. So we are glowing, we are doing, as a do you know what I mean? And all this kind of stuff, and definitely I am obsessed with this. I'm gonna be taking my NARS concealer right now, just so that, you know, to complete this look. I absolutely love this concealer recently, so I'm gonna be using this one.
And I
Did you guys heard the remix? It's pretty good. It's pretty darn good, let me tell you. Okay, honestly, the skin looks absolutely flawless, and sis, this is how things happen. This is how you get a man. This is how you bring kids. This is right here. Okay, like voguing the house. So anyways, right now I'm gonna be taking my Patrick Star and MAC powder, just, you know, so that I can bake my under eyes, because, you know, I kind of need to. Anyways, we're gonna be doing that real quick, something beautiful like so that I'm not canceling any of these dewiness, especially if you guys are a makeup artist, by the way. I mean, for a dewy look, I think that this foundation is absolutely insane because it looks really good on camera. So there's that. So now I want to avoid looking like my tank top, even though it's pretty cute, but not today, not today. So I'm gonna be taking my bronzer real quick, just, you know, to wash it off a little bit on my skin, just to give it a little bit of warmth or whatever. Yeah, because we already know that this is not my shade. Okay. And we're gonna do some blush. Very lightly and slightly, you know. And to finish up this look, I'm gonna be taking my favorite, and this is really my favorite, and this is the first highlighter ever that I hit the pen. So that is the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. And yeah, that is the reason I like it so much. as you can see. Okay, so that is my final look. Now, I do want to give my very first impression. As you all understand, so far, I do really like it. It actually reminds me a lot of this one. The finish is very, very natural, and the coverage is medium to full for sure, as you can see. Now, obviously, oh, and the most important thing is that I don't feel like there is foundation on me. It's not cakey. It's absolutely beautiful in my opinion, sis, in my opinion. So now what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna be fasting forward so that you guys can see how it performs during the day. So let's just get it rolling.
One eternity later.
So as you can guess by this beautiful natural glow that I have on, it is currently golden hour. So right now it is 7:27. Now as you can see, look up close, and this is the foundation still on, still serving looks. Now I do want to set some expectations, you guys. There's no foundation on planet Earth that can cover your skin texture, and that is what you guys can see here. Obviously I had acne, you know, in my past, and everyone pretty much have some skin texture, whether if that's pores or whatever not, and that's really what there is to it. But I want you guys to see how flawlessly it actually looks on the skin. So once again, I absolutely love it so far, and it is not the end of the day just yet, so I will definitely be coming again to check out with you. Okay, so it has been almost 12 hours, not yet, because it's currently what it is 9:45 p.m. as you can see, and I kind of like filmed, you know, a few pieces of content during that time between sunset to now, and I figured, well, it's the right time for me to almost go to bed. So now we're gonna be checking it in one more time. Well, when I say go to bed at 10 p.m., who am I kidding? I mean, I'm going to edit all those pieces of content, so there is that, but I'm gonna be doing some masking. So yeah, anyways, I need to remove it, and that is that. So I thought that will be the right time to check it in one more time before I, you know, do everything else. So anyways, my opinion, as you can see, I absolutely love this foundation. Once again, I am someone with a combination skin. If you have an oily skin, I generally do not know what it will do for you, because obviously this foundation is to target dry and normal skin. And I think that I'm in between this category with my combination skin, so there is that. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. Will definitely be using it again, and will definitely be buying my shade when it will be available on the 15, because again, it is not my shade. But anyways, you guys, that is my review for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more down below here, because we have a lot of makeup review coming up. So there is that, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!